from the warehouse. Slide the tandem because they need the trailer wheels all the way to the back. Here. They don't have door available. I have to park and wait. They call me. Back in here and wait. Number 30. And 1 hour here, they send me to 49 now. I was in 30, they sent me to 49. Finally, 2 hours. And I'm loaded. Now I got like, I don't know, 5 miles. Just 5 miles to get to my delivery place. Let's go. Because the door they gave me, there is a trailer in it. Gotta wait till they pull the door 9, which is right here. Took them 1 hour to offload this. Finally I'm empty. Now I gotta find a place to park and chill. I got a few minutes here, so I'm gonna try to remove these plugs because I'm thinking this is the source of the leak, exhaust leak. I'm gonna remove it and try to reseal it. The first one out, and obviously the sealant is gone, so this is the problem. 100%. I'm gonna have to put some kind of gasket here for the manifold gaskets so it doesn't burn. Thing is, right here I'm on the road, I don't have any, so I'm just gonna do a temporary fix right now. Same thing with the second one. To have better access, I'm gonna remove this tube right now. Get out. Now let's do this. need to assemble, but it's gonna happen again because I don't have nothing to use as a gasket. I'm just gonna put a high temp sealant on it, so it's gonna blow it again. When I get home, I'm gonna have to put some gasket. I just finger tied it. High temp silicone is in it, but 100% is gonna burn out quick like the first one. So I have to do some gasket. There's no other option. I gotta wait like 1 hour, and then I'm gonna tie this up all the way. It's been more than 2 hours. I'm gonna put everything back together. Everything is in place. Just gonna wait a little longer to tie this 2 bolts on these clamps.